how you doing? I'm glad you're back. Well, we're almost finished with the job. Check this out. Look at the floor. See the grout film everywhere? If you remember in the last video when I was wiping the tile down, it looked beautiful. It looked like we were finished, but I told you we were not. I told you this would happen. And this could be your worst nightmare if you don't clean this off. The grout's been down now about 45 minutes. And this film is still soft enough that it really hasn't bonded well to the tile. So all I have to do to really finish the job is we just wipe it down one more time. Now the grout joints themselves, they're pretty firm. They're pretty hard. It's not, you could still mark it with your fingernail, but it's not mushy like it used to be. So when I go to wipe this down this time, I'm not going to put a lot of pressure on the tile. And you notice I've already got most of the water out. I can't barely get any more water out of this sponge. So watch this. Here's how you do it. It's really, really simple. Just take the sponge, and I'm hardly pushing down at all. And I make one pass, and you notice I didn't get it all off. And I'll go at it again. Rinse it, and you have to rinse it each time. You can't just keep wiping the towel because then you're just going to spread the grout around. Remember, I'm getting all the water out. We'll do it again. Yeah, I'll just flip the sponge over. I'm really looking at the tile to make sure I don't see any grout, especially at the edges of the grout joints. Just wiping it. I flip the sponge over. I'll show you that again because I do it so fast. But once you strike it one time, you can't be rubbing the tile. That's really important. Watch this. I just pull the sponge one stroke about that far, and then I'll flip it over and I'll pull the rest of the way. You can't be rubbing the sponge around. That's going to make a big mess. And remember, very little pressure. I'm not putting much pressure at all on the sponge. Now I'll tell you right now, when this dries, the tile will look really pretty good. There may be a very light film of grout on the tile, but in 99 cases out of 100, if you've done the job right, you'll be able to take an old cotton bath towel, a terry cloth towel, and you'll be able to buff the tile, and that grout film will just disappear. Congratulations, you've done your floor tile. It looks great. I'm Tim Carter for Ask the Builder.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to askthebuilder.com.